Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, today we are learning about the describing words that describe nouns. Listen the story and you will recognize what the describing words are. At a sunny farm, a big brown horse pulled a heavy wagon. The fluffy white sheep grazed peacefully. A curious chicken peeked at corn. The playful puppies chased their tails. The farm was noisy and happy place. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.